I'm Natalia Lazarte. I'm project manager, and I work in Tecnalia in the construction division, mainly in the part of renovation project.
I am Peru Elguezabal, and I am a researcher in the field as well of building construction and new developments for renovation sector.
Taking information from direct stakeholders related to the renovation projects to transform later in technical specification just for doing tools adapting to these requirements and needs. But also we participate in as software developers, and at the latest part of the project we are pilot manager. We supervise the performance of the tools developing the project in the pilots. The difficulties for collaboration between different stakeholders.
There's a perception in the building sector that the BIM tools are expensive or are costly and require long training. And sometimes when we speak with experts that are developing BIM, they say that they do have accessible tools. So maybe the problem is that that type of information is not reaching the market. It's not reaching those small companies that they are very focused on their everyday activity, and they do not have the possibility to explore such as new applications and solutions.